17 years ago, you rode off with Robert Baratheon.
Your Aunt Lyanna.
Father never talked about her.
You came back a year later with another woman's son.
What was she like?
You want to know the horrible truth? I can't even remember what she looked like.
Stop showing off! Lyanna!
Ned?
Lyanna.
King Robert was supposed to marry her, but Rhaegar Targaryen kidnapped her.
Someone took her away from me. And 7 kingdoms couldn't fill the hole she left behind.
She was my sister. This is where she belongs.
She belonged with me.
It's done, Your Grace. Targaryens are gone. Not all of them.
When your brother Rhaegar led his army into battle at the Trident, men died for him because they believed in him, because they loved him.
All those hard sons of bitches chose him as their leader because they believe in him.
Rhaegar fought valiantly.
I fought.
Rhaegar fought nobly.
And I lost.
And Rhaegar died.
I failed. Good. Now go fail again. And those things you don't believe in, he faced those things. He fought those things for the good of his people. He risked his life for them. He took a knife in the heart for them.
He's my king. This day, until his last day.
He needs to know the truth.
Father, smith, warrior. Mother, maiden, crone, stranger. I am hers, and she is mine. From this day until the end of my days.
Robert's rebellion was built on a lie. He loved her. And she loved him. And Jon.
His name is Aegon Targaryen.
The bastard son of a traitor.
Run to the litter. That one's yours, Snow.
I keep hearing stories about you, bastard.
He's never been a bastard. He's the heir to the Iron Throne.